हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। वेलकम बैक अवर यूट्यूब चैनल, जहां हम एजुकेशन को बनाते हैं स्मार्ट और सिंपल इंटरेस्टिंग। मैं हूं संदीप, आपका डिजिटल टीचर। और हाँ, हर वीडियो में हम कुछ नया सीखते हैं और एक्साइटिंग, जैसे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और मॉडर्न एजुकेशन वर्ल्ड से। तो अगर आप टीचर हैं, स्टूडेंट हैं या एजुकेशन के फील्ड में इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं तो ये चैनल आपके लिए ही बना हुआ है। तो चलिए दोस्तों, बिना टाइम वेस्ट करे शुरू करते हैं आज का अमेजिंग टॉपिक।
Tired of the same old classroom routine? Ready for an education that truly prepares you for the future? What exactly is EDU Rev? It's a progressive approach that redefines where and how we learn. The core idea is simple. Learning should happen outside the classroom. We're not just aiming for a degree, we're focused on building a successful career and empowering students in decision making. Why the revolution? Because the world demands more than textbook knowledge. We are embracing key principles. First, learn by doing through real projects, shifting the environment into real world laboratories. Second, craft your path by tailoring your education to fit your career goals and designing your assessment. Third, AI is your learning companion. We provide AI exposure to prepare you for the future. Fourth, we are bridging academics and industry with an industry-oriented and industry-led curriculum. Fifth, empower yourself with the revenue-generating projects like freelancing and startups. Sixth, build stronger communities through social welfare activities. The exciting part is that EDU Rev translates your real world achievements into academic benefits. For example, if you complete a NPTEL MOOC or another proctored MOOC, you receive an exemption from all CAs. If you achieve recognition of prior learning RPL through prior completed certificates like IELTS, TOEFL or a MOOC, you could get a complete course exemption in one core and one non-core course per semester. For the RevGen project, like freelancing, online teaching, or a part-time job, you can receive SciSMT or ET exemption based on the revenue generated. Finally, by publishing a quality paper, a book chapter, or engaging in extra co-curricular activities, you qualify for a grade upgradation. EDU Rev is applicable across every UG and PG course through various elements, projects. Students can engage in a range of projects including industry-based design, branding, incubation, startup, consultancy, and community service projects. For example, an engineering UG student could participate in a technical hackathon, or a PG management student could take on an industry-based consultancy project. Revenue generation, RevGen. Revenue generation opportunities like freelancing, paid internships, or establishing entrepreneurial ventures are available to all students. For a UG student, this could be earning through a paid internship, and for a PG student, it might be starting a business venture. Recognition of prior learning RPL. Whether you're a first year UG student or a PG scholar, certificates like IELTS, TOEFL, or MOOCs can grant course exemptions. Grade upgradation. Any student can upgrade their grade by publishing a quality paper or a book chapter or engaging in significant extra co-curricular activities. EDU Rev is your opportunity to apply your knowledge in the real world, achieve professional expertise, and be part of an education that is truly career focused. Embrace the chance to tailor your education and lead the change. Let's start the revolution together.